right, we're going to flatten the bag out. Make sure the sides are in. And then fold it in half. And fold it in half again. And then cut off the handles.
Yep.
Now this is scrap that you're going to put in a bag like this that you can't use. One of these heavy bags that we're going to recycle. So all the scrap pieces go in there. Thank you. Then you're going to take this thing, which we call a template. It's about 2 inches wide. And you're going to lay it down. And you're going to cut strips. Now, if you do more than one at a time, you can sometimes lay another bag strip on top of this and cut 2 at one time. It goes a little faster. I'm going to give all of you a template to take home so that if you want to work on this at home, you can. Now, this at the bottom, you can't use. So that is also going into our scrap bag. When you have finished cutting, you're going to have strips like these. It's like a round band. And we're going to put these together. So you take one, put it through so that you make like a T. You just put it through the loop.
You'll get to try
You're
it.
going to try, everybody's going to try it. And then you take the 2 ends and pull one through the other and keep pulling until you get a knot. And pull it as tight as you can. If it rips, you just take it apart and start over. Take another loop, put it through so it's like a T. Put one through the other, slowly pull it until you get another knot. And pretty soon you've got a long strip. That's what Tina's got. Now I made some before I came so you could see when you get enough of them, you roll it into a ball. This is the part that we really need you to help with, making these balls. So it's not hard, it's just folding the bag, cutting off the handles, taking a template and cutting it into the strips, and then tying the strips together. When the people have finished, they bring the balls to our church and they drop them in a big wooden bin. People bring balls like this. And then people like Mrs. Martino take them home and they work on them and they crochet them into the mat that you saw earlier. Yeah, and the part that you're crocheting.
Oh, okay.
Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is give all of you a bag, put it in front of you, and work together on flattening it and cutting off the handles and the... do you have extra scissors here?
I do have some.
Okay, good. I should do.
Could you hold that finished product up just so the viewers at home? So the goal is,
Could you tell us one more time what we're making for the girls with this? Okay, these are mats that we give to homeless people. And what they do is they'll lay them down on the ground and they will sleep on them. They'll put their sleeping bag or whatever they have on top of it. It helps keep them dry, the plastic, because if the ground is wet, the plastic keeps them dry. And also when they roll them up into a bundle, a lot of them will use it to hold whatever they carry, their clothes or whatever.
that is incredible.
It's much more comfortable than just the
Then
ground.
laying on
And
the
girls,
ground.
they keep
Everybody take a bag.
Girls